A lot of people ask me, so Jimmy, what can I do so other people believe in me? Now, you may have a job interview coming up. Maybe you want to negotiate that big deal. Perhaps you are about to get on a stage, or you have some online event and you are stressed out and you want people to believe in you. But here's the thing. If you want others to believe in you, you have to first believe in yourself. Now, of course, it's easier said than done. And we all have certain traumas. We all have some type of baggage in us. So it is important to reconcile that and to practice self-belief, as simple as it sounds. For some reason, we take a shower every day, we brush our teeth, hopefully, and we kind of take it for granted, right? Oh, you wake up, you brush your teeth, but we don't spend enough time working on ourselves. So I invite you to work on your self-confidence and your self-esteem on a daily basis. And this is how you get other people to believe in you, by believing in yourself first.